Hey, Sana, you done?
You're recording?
Of course I am. Guys, back in Omeezy's kitchen. My name is Omar Sahor, and today we'll be making some steak and mashed potatoes, and that special seasoning that always go in it. You guys know what it is? Come on, you guys know. You guys have been watching this for 7 weeks now, maybe. Yeah, it's Maggi, but yeah, that goes in everything. So it'll be the special Maggi sauce. Yeah, special Maggi sauce, which will go with the steak and the mashed potatoes and the sauteed mushrooms. Guys, if you like what you see, comment below, subscribe, like, share, guys. We can do it all.
I'm being so serious because your ring light, I think you need to send it back and get it moved.
Are you done?
No, I'm not done.
Okay, just give me a minute. So guys, this is the potatoes that we're gonna use. They are Brussels potatoes, and then this is for the seasoning for the steak and for the sauce, and then there goes your mushrooms for the sauteed mushrooms. And this is all, guys. Very simple ingredients to a perfect meal. What do you do?
My brain is bugged. My brain is bugged.
So you gonna figure it out, or are you just gonna?
So, Sana, have you cut it yet?
Listen, these people are cutting out.
Like I said.
I'm trying to concentrate. But if I fix this, you better give me a raise. I'm so serious. You better give me a raise.
You want a raise? You want a raise for what?
My paycheck. $30 to $50. I'm gonna start charging.
I need to start paying you less, Sana.
For fixing your ring light?
No, just in general.
For what?
For not doing the job correctly. But it's okay, I've said it many times, so now I won't say it again. You already heard it enough
But
times.
I also make the videos entertainment. I bet you those videos would be boring without me.
Yeah? Is that what you
Who's gonna
think?
have attitude? Who's gonna say all the jokes?
Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Child, Sana. Is that how it is?
Yes, because you're cringy.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm cringy. Says who?
Me!
Says you.
I still think you're cringy.
Little high schooler, huh?
Oh my god, these people.
You and I said to little high schoolers that haven't been nowhere in life yet.
Okay,
What do you guys know about
I found the right videos, but they crop out how to assemble it. Oh my goodness. Where's the ring light? Uncle Omar, I'm about to make you feel so stupid. You won't believe what we gotta do. You won't believe it. You won't believe it.
Nah, I thought about putting it in, but that doesn't make sense.
No, you won't. You won't believe it.
I thought about that, but that doesn't make sense because I looked at it, it doesn't fit. Is that really just it?
I really did it. Obama will be proud of me.
You know I'm always proud of you.
Obama will be proud of me. Abraham Lincoln. All those people. George Washington? Yeah, he wished.
Now
He wished he could set up a ring light.
We can come
Look
try
at
it.
this.
We can come try it.
He wished.
see if it works.
He wish he could set up a ring light. Get on my level. No disrespect. That's enough.
So paprika, burger.
I'm a genius.
Try it. Go plug it in.
No, we're not done yet.
Oh shoot.
What's the other piece?
So guys, I'll be using some ribeye steak from Rastelli Peppered, but I'll season it more. But yeah, guys.
Color?
So guys, the marination is in the sirloin. I'm gonna just let that sit while I take care of the sauce for the mashed potatoes, and when I actually take care of the mashed potatoes on the other side. Sana's finally figured out how to fix the LED lights. She's requiring a raise, but I need to hold on that for a couple more weeks till she masters how to use the camera. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using for the mashed potatoes. Milk, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, and garlic. What do you do, homies? Alors j'ai fini tout. Il y a les patates là, il y a le lait, il y a le fromage, il y a le beurre, et puis il y a la fromage à crème. Je pense que c'est comme ça que tu dis. But guys, I've peeled everything, and now all that's left is to add these ingredients, and I shall be done with the mashed potato. So guys, the mash is done. I think it's pretty creamy enough and chunky, you know. I like it both, so voila. So guys, the steak is about done. Y'all know how black people, you know, don't want redness coming out the meat and that. So this is done. Well done. There we go. Guys, the reason why I use the same pan is so I get all the flavor from the previously cooked ingredients. That's the only reason why. So guys, I have the sauce in there that is just warming up. All I'm going to do is add some cut of vegetables to it. Bring the heat on high. Cover this up. Let it a bit. And then the sauce shall be ready. just joking, guys. But here is my plateau de filet mignon. C'est pas filet mignon, c'est sirloin. So sirloin steak, mashed potatoes, sauteed mushrooms, on special sauce. You get me. So guys, we're finally done with episode 8 of Omeezy's Kitchen, and we're actually done with American month as well. Next month I have a surprise for you guys. If you like what you've seen, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you can to get this out there. And if you guys have some ideas, that you think that will make the show better, let them know. I'm all open. Omeezy's Kitchen with